See, y'all have the chance to actually know if this stuff works before I do, since it's on the video. Doesn't seem fair. Anyway, let's see if we can make this work. 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been turned inside out since it's being ice dyed. This is the line that I'm going with, and this is the middle of that line. So what I'm going to do is just roll up to that center point on each side, a tight roll, and then we'll go from there. I'm not sure, I guess I'll start down here and just pull this. I'm not too concerned about this being perfect since it's going to become a lot. Okay, let's see if I can get one of these clamps to fit this. Alright, spin this around, do the other side. Okay. I'm going to use sinew since it's going to be easier than rubber bands on this. I'm just using it to hold it, so I'm not really tightening this at all. Just enough so that the wax catches. Let me clean this up a little, just so that it's not inside each other. Then we're going to turn this into a spiral, but I'm not sure if I wanted to go like have this in the center. That's what I was thinking, but to do that I need to do it on edge, and then I was going to do this and then literally wrap around. My concern is that's really thick to dye through, which means there's probably going to be a lot of white left. I don't want to go from the end because I think the center, I don't know. I'm torn on this one. Because if we just go from an end, I mean, it'd still end up being the same thickness unless I go this way, but I don't think that'll work. I think it's going to look weird. I think it needs to be done thicker. Let's do this real quick and see what happens. That? Let's go with that. That center point is way out, so it's not in the center. I don't know if that's, I mean, that's obviously going to make a difference in how it dyes, but well, that's easy. A single rubber band holds the whole thing. Alright, off to dye. I'm going to be using Alchemist and Raven Black, both from Dharma. And I've just divided it into 6, and we'll just go ahead and dye it. Alright, we'll let that melt through and probably run it at least one more time this direction and then flip it. Alright, it's been quite a while, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this. I put the towel down just to try and sop some of the extra ebb. I'm going to go ahead and soda ash over this, add some ice, and then add some more of the Alchemist dye. We'll let that melt through and then probably sit for the washout. Okay, this has been sitting for over 24 hours since it was last dyed. Let's go ahead and rinse it out. Alright, what do we have here? I'll go throw this in the wash and we'll take a look. Here's the front and the back. A lot of splotchy stuff. Alright, so probably shouldn't have gone with the black, or was it Timberwolf, whatever the other color was. The Alchemist looks okay. Probably would have looked fine just rolling it, and I don't know. I don't know what to say. I mean, I can see the difference, but I didn't think it was gonna. I don't know. Maybe I wasn't thinking right when I came up with the idea. I mean, if I would have just gone with the one color, there wouldn't be any difference. I mean, you can... I don't know. I'm really torn. It's both interesting and I don't like the giant black areas on it. I don't know what to say. Thoughts? How about a name? I don't know. So, oh, that one ripped through. I have a hole in it. Well, I guess I have to keep this one now. Alrighty. Anyway, any suggestions for future? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.